Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to import and export data in Zoho Project, your 2025 guide. Let's get started with the import process. First, navigate to the Settings tab and click on Import. This is where you'll be able to upload your data file. The reason we do this is to transfer all your project data seamlessly into the Zoho platform. Now that we've done that, remember to choose the correct file type, usually CSV or Excel, and select the project where you want the data to go. This helps us because it ensures the data goes exactly where it needs to be in the system. Next up, click Next and match the fields in your file with the fields in Zoho Project. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho is reading your data and slotting it into the right places. Let me explain why this matters. By matching the fields, you ensure that your data is imported correctly and efficiently. Once you're satisfied with the mapping, click on Import. All right, let's move on to exporting data now. Go to the Reports tab and click on Export. By doing this, we're telling Zoho to prepare a file with all our project data. Select the format you prefer, whether that's CSV, Excel, or PDF. The reason we do this is to make sure the exported data is in a format that's most useful to you. Once you've done that, click on Export. Your file will then be downloaded to your device. And there we have it. You now know how to import and export data in Zoho Project, making your project management tasks a whole lot easier. That's all for today, and see you in the next tutorial.